Hello, friends and family of DiamondTrail Ranch. Welcome back. Guys, eggs, man. Chicken eggs. You know, I talk about them every night. Not quite as often as we probably should on this channel because we have lots of chickens, lots of ducks, we have lots of eggs. We collect dozens a day with an S, okay? If you've been homesteading for any amount of time, you've probably already felt it. Eggs don't feel like just food anymore, am I right? They feel valuable. You know, before I got into homesteading, I honestly thought, I was like, man, if anything, I was like, chicken eggs are going to become a form of currency one day. Seriously, it's going to be about what you have, especially in the prepping community. You know, if you don't have items, what do you have? Labor at that point. You know, today I want to talk about these because it might sound a little dramatic. Really, it isn't once you step back and look at the pattern, okay? In this year, in 2026 specifically, chicken eggs are becoming a form of currency. They really are. I mean, not because society's collapsing, not because the world is ending, but because reliable food always becomes valuable when systems get strained. Checking out my hen, a couple of hens here that are well, the rooster down there is, I think one of the hens is laying as we speak. If you have chickens, you're already sitting on something super powerful with awareness and not fear. Okay, this isn't about fear. Eggs have actually always been valuable. Think about it. Eggs have. I'm actually seeing prepping channels. They're picking up chickens, man. I'm telling you guys, it's the thing right now. Eggs have always played a role historically. Guys, how far back do you think this goes? I mean, seriously. Chicken eggs are compact, they're high protein, they're renewable, they are tradable, and they are locally produced. I got a couple dust bathers right here, perfectly normal habit that chickens do. I got videos on why they do that. Go check out my flock playlist. For thousands of years, chicken eggs and eggs in general, man, they've been traded between neighbors, used as gifts, exchange for services, maybe even labor, like I mentioned. You know, back in the day, oh, absolutely. You know, you give them to your elders or families in need. I've been to the other side of the world, you know, where they don't have electricity. I've been there, done that. Chicken eggs, man. Even today, during supply chain shortages, inflation spikes, or feed price hikes, that stuff gets crazy. Grocery store price swings. Eggs are one of the first things people notice that go missing, and one of the first things that people are going to ask for. Eggs matter more now in 2026 because we're living in a time where food prices are rising quietly, not loudly. It's just kind of become, in this day and age, par for the course. Unfortunately, I'm going to say unfortunately there, because it's just, we're so used to it now, right? Availability is changing region by region. Trust in the systems is really getting shaky, even when the shelves are looking full. I mean, you guys remember the toilet paper stores. Wasn't that a weird time when nobody had toilet paper? The stores? Eggs aren't just food anymore. They're representing stability, local control, predictability. A family that has backyard chickens is less affected by those store shortages. It's got protein even when the prices are getting crazy, and it can help others without relying on cash. I'm serious, man. I have a whole playlist on chickens. Like, seriously, go check it out. It's free information. The key point I'm making here is when money gets tight, bartering always came back. It always does. And it will in the future. I mean, it just will. Not officially, not formally. It's natural. It was like that before currency was really, I mean, it was the currency. Eggs, as a modern bartering system today, I mean, let's be honest, it's already happening. Eggs are always getting traded today for produce, for firewood, any mechanical help. You know, have you guys ever had someone help you out with an issue? Maybe who knows, it could be anything. And then you gave them as a gift, you know, a dozen eggs or something from your backyard. We have. Babysitting, fence repairs, feed swaps. You know, those are different kinds of things eggs are getting traded for. And If you've never thought about it before, there's a good idea, am I right? Plenty of good ideas. The reason eggs work so well is simple. Everyone knows their value. You don't have to explain what eggs are worth. You don't have to convince anybody why they matter. They already know, and unlike cash, eggs can't be printed. Eggs take time and care, and they require responsibility. They have a real value. Homesteads have an edge with this. This is where homesteads quietly outperform everyone else. Eggs don't come from panic buying. They come from daily routines, consistent care, calm systems. A prepared homestead does not hoard, it produces. And that production is going to build trust in your community. It's going to create quiet influence. And it's going to give you guys options. You don't need 100 chickens. I actually just had someone the other day ask, they said their limit was 5. I said, yes, get them. Get 5. Do it. 5 laying hens can feed a household. It can create surplus. It can give you flexibility when things get tight. Prepared does not mean afraid, guys. Prepared is, it means you're losing that dependency on some of those, systems that are usually out of our control. What does it mean for non-homesteaders? The important part, this isn't an us versus them, conversation. Boy, these hens are hopping and popping. Y'all laying some eggs as we speak, huh? Some loud ladies. People without land are not failing. People without chickens are not falling behind. Like I said, this is not an us versus them, okay? But these guys will lean on people who planned ahead. I like the term prepping and preppers. People do it differently, and I'm not big on some of these guys are, kind of conspiracy wackos, but it's just, we like to be real and grounded here, and not about fear or panic. Because homesteaders become community anchors, knowledge holders, and stability points. That's just the reality. We do reality checks here, guys. I see a lot of channels that are like, man, it's wild. Some of the things they're posting about every single day, the same thing about, World War III, this and that, World War III updates. And I'm like, buddy, let me just stop talking for a second. Do you hear how quiet and calm this is? Stop fear-mongering, people. Eggs aren't just currency, they're a connection. So, no. Eggs aren't going to replace money, but in 2026, they're becoming, honestly, just as important. They're representing that food security, local resilience, and calm preparedness. And the homesteads that understand this now will not need to scramble later on. Prepared, not afraid, and quietly ready. If you have chickens, you're already ahead. And if you're thinking about chickens, now's the time.